Today's video is quite intriguing as we explore a topic that might challenge some common perceptions. We'll be discussing 6 things poor people always have money for. Now, before you jump to conclusions, stick around till the end to gain a deeper understanding. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Basic necessities. Contrary to common misconceptions, poor people exhibit incredible resilience when it comes to prioritizing essentials such as food, shelter, and clothing. It's not just about fulfilling immediate needs. It's about survival. And they employ ingenious strategies to navigate financial challenges and make these crucial purchases. For instance, they might opt for budget-friendly meal options, explore community resources for food assistance, or leverage thrift stores for affordable clothing. The emphasis here is on resilience and resourcefulness rather than a lack of financial responsibility. In times of financial strain, the ability to prioritize becomes a skill, and poor individuals showcase a remarkable acumen in managing limited resources. While some might perceive these choices as sacrifices, it's important to recognize the adaptive and strategic nature of their decision-making. By ensuring their basic needs are met, even in challenging circumstances, they are laying the foundation for stability and resilience. It's a testament to the strength of the human spirit and the unwavering commitment to maintaining a sense of dignity and security in the face of adversity. Number 2. Low-cost entertainment. Moving on to our second point, let's explore the realm of low-cost entertainment. In the pursuit of happiness and mental well-being, everyone deserves a break, and poor individuals are no exception. While they might not have the financial flexibility for extravagant outings, they showcase an admirable ability to find joy in the simple pleasures of life. It's about redefining leisure without breaking the bank. Instead of high-priced entertainment, poor individuals often opt for budget-friendly or free activities that not only provide relaxation but also cultivate a sense of fulfillment. A stroll in the park not only offers physical exercise but also a refreshing connection with nature. Reading a library book not only stimulates the mind but provides an affordable escape into different worlds. And let's not forget the joy of watching a movie at home, turning an ordinary evening into a cozy cinematic experience without the hefty price tag. By embracing these low-cost entertainment options, poor individuals exemplify a profound understanding of value beyond monetary considerations. It's a conscious choice to derive happiness from experiences rather than possessions, emphasizing the richness of life that extends beyond the limitations of a tight budget. This mindset not only promotes financial prudence but also fosters a deeper appreciation for the simple yet priceless aspects of life. Number 3. Socializing on a budget. Let's delve into our next point, highlighting the significance of socializing on a budget. Maintaining connections with friends and family is not only crucial for emotional well-being but also a cornerstone of a fulfilling life. Despite financial constraints, poor individuals exhibit a remarkable commitment to nurturing these relationships, recognizing that the true wealth lies in the bonds they share. While their budget may not allow for extravagant outings, poor individuals find ingenious ways to allocate money for socializing. It's not about the grandeur of the gesture but the sincerity behind it. A simple home-cooked meal or a gathering in a local park becomes a cherished opportunity to foster meaningful connections. This approach underscores a deeper understanding of the value of relationships, emphasizing shared moments over material possessions. Furthermore, these budget-friendly social interactions often foster a sense of community and support. Whether it's leaning on each other during tough times or celebrating victories together, these connections provide a safety net that goes beyond financial security. The commitment to socializing on a budget demonstrates a resilience that transcends monetary concerns, highlighting the prioritization of emotional wealth and the recognition that the most meaningful experiences often come from the warmth of relationships rather than the weight of financial burdens. Number 4. Celebrations and milestones. And now, let's shine a light on the resilience and positivity that characterize how individuals on a tight budget approach life. Celebrations and milestones. Birthdays, anniversaries, and personal achievements are not overlooked, even in the face of financial constraints. In fact, Acknowledging and celebrating these milestones becomes a powerful tool for maintaining a positive outlook and creating lasting memories. On a tight budget, the approach to celebrations becomes a creative endeavor. Rather than extravagant parties or lavish gifts, poor individuals find joy in the subtleties of life. It could be a homemade cake, a heartfelt letter, or a simple gathering with close friends and family. The emphasis here is not on the monetary value but on the emotional resonance of the moment. By celebrating even the smallest victories, poor individuals demonstrate a resilience that goes beyond financial challenges. It's about finding joy in the journey, appreciating the progress made, and cultivating a mindset that values positivity amid adversity. These celebrations become beacons of hope and motivation, reminding individuals that regardless of their financial circumstances, they are worthy of acknowledgement and joy. Furthermore, these budget-friendly celebrations contribute to the creation of positive memories. When reflecting on life's journey, it's often these intimate, heartfelt moments that stand out. The ability to find joy in small victories, even on a tight budget, underscores a profound understanding of the richness of life's experiences and the enduring impact of creating positive memories, irrespective of financial constraints. Number 5. Education. Now, let's delve into the transformative power of education and how individuals facing financial constraints prioritize this investment in themselves. Despite limited resources, many individuals facing economic challenges allocate funds for educational endeavors, recognizing that knowledge is a key asset that can shape their future. It's not just about formal education. It's about a continuous and intentional pursuit of learning. The commitment to education manifests in various forms. Poor individuals may allocate money for books, exploring local libraries or secondhand bookstores to build their personal libraries. In the digital age, online courses have become a valuable resource, offering affordable opportunities for skill development and knowledge acquisition. Additionally, community classes and workshops provide avenues for learning that are not only cost-effective but also foster a sense of belonging and shared growth. The understanding of the value of knowledge goes beyond immediate financial returns. It's an investment in personal development, empowerment, and breaking the cycle of poverty. By allocating funds for education, individuals facing economic challenges demonstrate a forward-thinking mindset that seeks to expand horizons, overcome obstacles, and unlock new opportunities. This commitment to learning becomes a catalyst for personal growth and a testament to the belief that education is a powerful tool for shaping a brighter future, regardless of one's current financial circumstances. In essence, the prioritization of education reflects a profound understanding that while financial situations may be temporary, the knowledge gained has the potential to create lasting and meaningful change in one's life. It's a testament to the resilience and determination of individuals facing economic challenges to invest in their own potential and strive for a better tomorrow. Number 6. Thrift shopping. Now, let's explore the art of thrifty living and how individuals facing financial constraints masterfully navigate the world of thrift shopping to fulfill their clothing needs. Thrift shopping is more than just a practical solution. It's a skill that allows individuals to be resourceful and discover quality items at a fraction of the cost, showcasing a unique form of financial wisdom. Poor individuals, adept at the art of thrifty living, understand that the value of an item goes beyond its price tag. Thrift shopping becomes a treasure hunt, a quest for hidden gems that not only serve a functional purpose but also contribute to a sustainable and mindful approach to consumption. In a world that often emphasizes fast fashion and excessive consumerism, thrift shopping stands as a testament to the importance of conscious choices in the face of economic challenges. Beyond the financial aspect, thrift shopping embodies a spirit of creativity and individuality. Each piece tells a story, and the eclectic mix found in thrift stores allows individuals to express their unique style without breaking the bank. It's a celebration of diversity, where one can find clothing items from different eras, making a personal fashion statement while contributing to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly way of living. The decision to embrace thrift shopping is not merely about necessity. It's a conscious choice to redefine the narrative around fashion and consumption. Poor individuals, by opting for thrift stores, showcase an understanding that one's worth is not determined by the price of their clothes, It's a demonstration of resilience, resourcefulness, and a commitment to living a fulfilling life within the constraints of a tight budget. In essence, thrifty living through thrift shopping is a manifestation of financial literacy and environmental consciousness. It's a testament to the idea that one can lead a rich and fulfilling life by embracing sustainable practices, making mindful choices, and appreciating the value in items that may have a history of their own. Thrift shopping is not just a necessity. It's a lifestyle that reflects a nuanced understanding of the intersection between personal style, financial prudence, and environmental responsibility. Let me know your opinions in the comments section. Thanks for watching.